Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to share with you how to download and install latest font for Microsoft Office. So let's take a look how to do that. In order to do that, you have to go on your device start menu and then click here setting. After click on setting, you will find here something called personalization. When you click personalization, the left side you will find something called fonts. So when you click fonts, you will see there are a bunch of fonts available. You can click here get more fonts in Microsoft Store. So when you click that, you will see there will be a list of font just now created by other creator etc. or even created by Microsoft or etc. So now if you like to install any font from here, you can easily do. Some of them free or some of them you have to pay little money. For example, I would like to download this ink draft, and when I'm going to click that, it's going to be open a new tab. Now I have to click on get and it's going to be automatically download and install in my PC. You can see it's going to be start download, and now if after download process we can easily use this font in any Microsoft Office product, right? Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft any Microsoft Office product. Now you can see already this product is downloaded and installed in my PC. Now if for example if I go in Microsoft Word and then let me see is it available or not. I'm going to choose a blank document and I'm go over here and then let me try to find out. Now you can see this is the font style I had just now downloaded. This is name ink draft. So I have choose that. Now if I'm going to type anything here, you can see it's up here with the ink draft font style. So this way you can easily download any Microsoft any text style from Microsoft Store, and you can later on use it in your Microsoft any Office product. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.